For today's video, no, magpapalit tayo ng handle grip ng Inmax B2. Ito, papalitan natin to, luma na. Ito, Racing Boy, tapos lalagyan natin ng ano sa gilid, ano bang tawag dito, yung nakaganyan, no? Yan. Sige, gawin na natin to, guys. Tanggalin muna natin to. Pagtanggal nito, guys, no, huhugutin lang to. Yan, no? Yan, huhugutin lang. So dapat sungkit-sungkitin natin ito sa ilalim, no, para matanggal. Gamitan natin ng screw. Sungkitin natin yung ilalim nito para kasi kumapit na to, eh. No. Pero yung iba, ang ginagawa nila, ayan, no, ang ginagawa nila, hinihila, pinupunit. So sayang, no, baka isang beses kailanganin natin, tabi lang natin, no. Sayang naman. Bunot na. Tapos bunot natin ito. Dapat to langisan, no, para langisan natin siguro yung loob. Kung kasya, hindi na, kasi pag kanilangisan, ano, tama, nalagyan natin para hindi kumap. So mas better, no, W40 na lang para medyo umaano din yung pag natuyo, hindi maiwan yung langis. Yan. So, sa mga technique, guys, no, lagyan natin ng langis para yan, para madaling ipasok, no. Yan, saka itong loob. Yan. Kasi sobrang hirap pasok nito pag bago lang.
dedicate this song to you, my beautiful people. My beautiful people, come and sing along, yeah. Here I got a song for you, my beautiful people. My beautiful people, come and sing along, yeah. There are many things we cannot hide. There are many bonds that can be undone. Just like our bond, yeah. Everything in life is a sacrifice, but I know it was worth the price, for I did it for you. Here I come with a song, oh beautiful people. Oh beautiful people, come and sing along, yeah. I dedicate this song to you, my beautiful people. Oh beautiful people, come and sing along, yeah. From every corner we'll be blasting, from every corner we'll be blasting, and you know I did it for you. You know that music is a language to free us from every bondage, and you know that I did it for you. Oh, but there are things in life we cannot hide, and there are things in life that can be undone. Yet I did it for you. Whoa, here I come, a song for you, oh beautiful people. Oh beautiful people, come and sing along, yeah. I dedicate this song for you, oh beautiful people. Oh beautiful people, come and sing along, yeah. Whoa, oh, oh. Whoa, oh. Whoa, oh, 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 oh. You know that love is a language to free us from every bondage, so I sacrifice for you. You know that blasting every will blast
Ayan, pag may naigpit ka, no, nakapasok ng maliit
yet you know
sa loob ng malaki, tapos ito yung pinaka maglalak sa kanya. Pasok natin dito.
dedicate this song for you, oh beautiful people.
Naigpit nila.
Oh beautiful people, come and sing